Here I have PANASONIC Eluga Tapp, and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let me show you the first trick, which is the engineering mode. So let me enter this code *pound *pound 3646633 pound asterisk, and it's really useful mode. So you can enter this mode and, for example, check out your device hardware features, check out some information, for example the LTE info. You can here also get access to connectivity. Here we've got hardware testing. It's really useful, for example, to test the SD card, power, memory. You can see location info, log and debugging, and some other info right here. So that's it. Let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the magnification feature. Let's use apps icon. Here let's find and select the settings. Scroll down and choose here accessibility. From the accessibility, let's tap on magnification gestures. Let's enable this feature, and now if you triple tap on your device somewhere, you will magnify things. You can switch the position by using 2 fingers, and you can disable the magnification by also triple tapping. Let's go back and let's go for the third trick. So let me show you the color advanced settings. If you scroll down in accessibility, you should see the experimental mode, which is color inversion. Let's just enable this mode and you just inverse all color. It could be really cool sometimes. You can also use some color correction here. So if you enable this color mode, you can here choose red, green, or for example blue, yellow. So that's it. Let's disable this feature. Now let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the scheduled time. So you can schedule power on and off your device right here under system. This is really useful. For example, you can switch on automatically your device every day at 7 AM, but you can also switch it off every day, for example at 10 PM. It only depends on your choice right here. Choose PM and AM, tap OK. Here you've got repeat days, and tap done if you would like to use it. Alright, so let's go back, and also let me show you the last trick. So let me show you the navigation settings. Sometimes it could be really frustrating if you would like to switch on your navigation keys. So let's tap on navigation bar, and if you would like to use it that way with the back key right here, you can do it as simple as that. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.